Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is March the 18th. We are out here in Snellville, Georgia. I went out this morning, did a consultation. Actually got one to do after this that came in from Lawrenceville. So, guys, these floors, whoo! This is actually a repeat client that has used me before. They just built this house. And guys, they got these luxury vinyl plank floors and they are a mess. She said, Courtney, they have tried to clean. It's like the more they clean, the worse they get. So guys, this is beyond a cleaning. I mean, we could clean them, but they probably etched the factory finish. So what we just want to do is screen and recoat these today, put a nice 2-component finish on it so we make sure we get some good adhesion. And let me flip this around and show you what we got going. So this is a brand new build, guys. As you can see, the house is still being built, but they're almost done. This is actually one of my repeat. This is a huge house. This is a lot of floor. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, screen and recoat. Yes, you can screen and recoat luxury vinyl plank floors. I have done it numerous times, okay? And all we're doing is just roughing up the top layer of the floor, but not going as aggressive as we would a wood floor, because we don't want to damage that top veneer. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is all of this, that room, this room. She said, Courtney, I had you come back because they had to take all the stuff and put it in this room. So we're going to stop right there. All of this, okay, all of this. Let me close the front door. So again, we are in Snellville, Georgia. All right, so all of this, I'm gonna dip this one. It's a big one. All righty. Tomorrow, T will be at the shop doing shop work, and what is that? Oh, this. I have 4 consultations tomorrow, so tomorrow's gonna be my consult day. This room right here, all of this, and this room over here. So we actually doing most of the house. Only thing we'll have to do is come back is do that room, but they're gonna have a stop and start mark right there. And then this whole master's right here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Truman. Brand new. But we leveled it up. Brand new floors, but they ain't look new, right? Dust in the air, left a whole residue. Tried to clean and made it worse, I crept outside. Called Truman in, now it like a showroom. Brand new floors, yeah, we still that vibe. Screen and read, cool, now they certified. Aquapro satin, got it smooth, got it glide. Better than new, yeah, I said that right. She like dust all over the plane. Contractor left it, thought it was straight. Homeowner wipe it, smeared it around. Now the whole floor got a cloudy face. Brand new install, 3K on the floor. Luxury vinyl, but it lost its glow. Residue building, stuck in the grain. Every step taken, just dragging the pain. Put up clean with the system tight. Screen that surface, leveled it right. 2-component mix, yeah, that Aquapro. Lay it down smooth, now watch it glow. Brand new floors, but they ain't new. Dust in the air, left a whole residue. Tried to clean and made it worse, took a tuition. Called Truman in, now it look like a showroom. No UV cure, still hitting elite. Satin finish, got that soft low sheen. Walking out house like, hold up, wait, how it look better than yesterday? Yeah, we correct what the build-up did. Fix the mistakes that the process hid. Not just clean, restore that feel. Now the whole floor got a luxury seal. From door to shop, from haze to clear. From what happened to the this here. Screen and recoat.
All right, guys, let's check it out. Floors came out great. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Guys, these floors were just full of sheetrock dust. Again, they tried to clean them multiple times. And sometimes when they clean it, try to clean it too much, man, it just leaves so much residue everywhere. Oh yeah, this looks so much better. And this was a big job, guys. This was a big job. Oh man. And actually, you can even look at the difference. Look how much better the floors look. You can even see the part that we didn't do. And then if I look back here, I'm gonna glue them in. Look at see all that residue, guys? That's how all the floors looked. Just full of residue. So we wanna come back and do this. Oh, that looks so much better. Leveling real good. So we're not UV curing this floor because she says it's going to be about a couple more weeks before they move in. And the floors will be cured by then. Without the UV cure, probably about 5-7 days. So they just can't put anything on it. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh yeah. So back here. Oh, this is so much better. So much better. Oh yeah. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Tomorrow, I got 4 consultations. I actually have to go build up a few quotes right quick when I get back to the office. And then we'll be back at it Friday and Saturday. All right, guys. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, she's gonna love this. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Come on in. It look good, don't it?
Oh, that looks so good.
I told you I'd take care of you, Miss Irma. You already know. There you go. Long time no see. Y'all been together so long, y'all started looking like.
That looks good.
Don't he look good? Yes, ma'am. And you can actually see now, you can see the rooms we didn't do yet. You can actually see a huge difference. A big difference.
Yeah.
Look, see right here, see the part we haven't done yet?
These socks, okay.
You see the part we didn't do right here?
Yeah, there's a difference.
And here, look back there. You can see how all that residue still back there. And you see the difference here? Look at that.
It's a big difference.
Big difference. Thank you.
But you know, this floor, they didn't do a good job putting this floor down.
Yeah, I see that big gap over there too.
Big gap.
Yeah.
I don't know if we got another piece. But this looks nice.
Thank you, Miss Irma.
Oh, man.
Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. My clients are happy. See you in the next one.
Oh, it is so nice.
Thank you.